Hey, HSEstudy crew, imagine a factory where a loose wire sparks a fire, or a construction site where a shaky scaffold collapses. These aren't just risks, they're disasters waiting to strike. In 2024, 2.8 million workplace injuries cost $170 billion, many preventable with one tool: safety audits. Welcome to Shocking Workplace Hazards. Exposed, unlock the power of safety audits in 2025, a 10-minute guide to mastering audits as an EHS officer. We'll reveal what audits are, their types, key focus areas, the process, and real wins that save lives. Whether you're a safety pro, manager, or worker, this is your playbook. Grab a pen, you're about to make your workplace a fortress. What's a workplace safety audit? It's a proactive check to spot hazards, slips, faulty gear, chemical leaks before they hurt someone. Audits ensure a safe, healthy environment, slashing accidents and OSHA fines, which hit $16,000 a pop in 2025. They're the backbone of any EHS program, tying hazard control to compliance and training. Think of audits as your workplace's X-ray, revealing cracks so you can fix them. They don't just protect workers, they save families from heartbreak, like a 2024 Ohio dad who fell due to an unchecked ladder. Let's break down audit types. Planned audits happen regularly, monthly or quarterly, to catch risks early. They're thorough but time-heavy. A 2024 Georgia factory's planned audit found a frayed hoist, fixed, saving $30,000. Reactive audits kick in after incidents like a spill or injury to find causes. They're quick but miss proactive wins. A Florida site audited post-2024 forklift crash, break fix, $50,000 saved. Compliance audits check legal standards like OSHA rules. They avoid fines but can feel box ticking. A 2025 Texas audit caught PPE gaps, no $20,000 penalty. Match the type to your goal: planned for prevention, reactive for fixes, compliance for law. Key areas to focus on. Start with hazard identification: spot spills, unguarded blades, or clutter. A 2024 Arizona audit flagged a chemical leak, stopped, no harm. Next, risk assessment: rate hazards by likelihood and impact. A Colorado site ranked a loose rail high, fixed, no fall. Compliance means checking OSHA rules like lockout tagout. A 2024 Michigan factory audit caught a tagout miss, $15,000 fine dodged. Evaluate employee training: are workers PPE ready? A Virginia crew retrained post-audit, incidents dropped 20%. Check equipment maintenance, test lifts, circuits. A 2025 Oregon audit fixed a press, saved a hand. Look for common hazards: wet floors, faulty wiring, missing guards. Best practice: daily sweeps and clear signs. The audit process is your roadmap. Step 1, plan. Set goals, focus on chemicals or falls, pick a type, and gather checklists. An EHS officer in Nevada planned a 2024 audit targeting scaffolds, found 3 risks. Step 2, observe. Walk the site, talk to workers, check gear. A 2025 Alabama audit caught a cluttered aisle via worker tips. Step 3, document. Log hazards, snap photos, note fixes. A Louisiana officer's 2024 report led to $40,000 in upgrades. Step 4, report. Share findings with management, suggest solutions. A Tennessee plant's 2025 report cut spills 15%. Step 5, follow up. Ensure fixes stick, recheck monthly. An EHS officer's role: lead, listen, enforce. Involve workers, ask what's unsafe. Feedback builds trust. The benefits? Huge. Regular audits cut accidents. OSHA says 30% fewer injuries with consistent checks. They spot hazards early, like a 2024 Kansas audit catching a gas leak, no $100,000 fire. Audits save money, fines, claims, downtime, and boost morale. Workers feel safe, work better. Case study: a 2024 Wisconsin factory audited monthly, found a faulty guard, fixed it, 0 injuries, $60,000 saved. Another win, a 2025 Minnesota hospital audited PPE caught mask shortages, no outbreak, staff safe. These aren't flukes, audits deliver, but audits fail if you slack. A 2025 post raved about a rushed audit missing a wire, spark, $25,000 fine. Don't just check boxes, dig deep. A 2024 Illinois officer skipped worker input, missed a spill, $10,000 cost. Train your eyes, spot subtle risks like a worn belt. A Missouri audit caught one in 2025, no crash. Build a culture, reward hazard reports. A 2024 California site gave Safety Star pins. Incidents fell 25%. Audits plus culture equal unstoppable safety. Your mission, HSEstudy crew. Don't let hazards hide. Audits are your weapon. Plan, observe, fix, repeat. That Wisconsin guard, that Minnesota mask, they're your proof. Pause this. List one hazard at your site. Wet floor, loose wire. Tomorrow, check it, report it, kill it. Hit HSEstudy.in for free audit checklists, OSHA guides, EHS firepower. Share this with your team. One watch could save a limb, a life. Subscribe to HSEstudy, hit the bell. We're dropping safety gold weekly. Let's make workplaces where danger's history. See you safe out there.